Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our second part of Central Asia. So, population and settlement densely settled oases and vacant lands continue. Urbanization in Central Asia, River Valley and oases have been partially urbanized for millennia. Samarkand and Bukhara, Uzbekistan. Consequence of region may be by the Russian and Chinese empires started a new period of urbanization. Today, urbanization increased in North Kazakhstan. In some areas, cities remain few and far between. A meeting ground of different traditions. Historically overview, an Indo-European hearth, River Valley and oases were early site of sedentary agriculture communities. 8000 BC. Domestication of horse spurred nomadic pastoralism. 4000 BC. Provide military advantage over sedentary people. Earliest language were Indo-European, replaced by Altaic, Turkish and Mongolian. Tibetan kingdom unified in 7th AD but was short-lived. Linguistic geography of Central Asia. Kazakh, Uzbek, Russian, Tajik, Mountainous Tajik, Pashto, Balochi, Azari, Mongolian, Tibetan. This is the Balochi region. Contemporary linguistic and ethnic geography. Turkish and Mongolian language inhabit most of Central Asian. Tibetan in Sino-Tibetan family. 1.5 million speaker in Tibet and 3 million more in Western China. Mongolian 5 million speaker. Other dialect Buryat, Kalmyk. Turkish language. The most widely spoken language group in these regions include Uyghur, Kazakh, Azeri, Uzbek, Turkmen, Kazakh. Uzbek is most widely spoken of the Turkish language. Contemporary linguistic and ethnic geography continue. Linguistic complexity in Tajikistan. Indo-European Tajik spoke in Tajikistan related to Persian. Mountains Tajik spoke in remote mountains of eastern Tajikistan. Language and ethnicity in Afghanistan. Afghanistan, never colonized by outside power, become a country in 17th under Pashtun leadership. Pashtun ethnic group 40 to 60%. Dari speaker. Tajiks in west and north. Hazaras in central mountains. 11% of speak Uzbek Indo-European language. Afghanistan ethnic patchwork. In Afghanistan, Balochi, Uzbek, Tajik, Hazaras, Pashtuns, Turkmenas, Nuristani, other inhabited. Geography of religion. Islam in Central Asia. Pashtun adopt a stricter interpretation of Islam. Kazakh are more lax in their interpretation of Islam. Most of the region's Muslims are Sunni. Shiaism dominant among the Hazaras and Azeris. Communists in China, Soviet Union and Mongolian discouraged all religions including Islam. Islamic revival underway as people return to their culture roots from Soviet Union republics. Islamic fundamentalism is a powerful movement in Afghanistan, part of Tajikistan and Fergana Valley. Taliban in Afghanistan, extremely fundamentalist Islamic organization. Islamic revival. Tibet. Lamist Buddhism found in Mongolia and Tibet, a blending of Buddhism and indigenous language. Born Dalai Lama and Panchen Lama. Theocracy, religion, state. Tibet was theocracy with Dalai Lama both the political and religious authority unit until China conquered it. Persecution of Tibet Buddhists by Chinese. China invaded Tibet in 1959. Dalai Lama went into exile. Panchen Lama, a puppet 6,000 monasteries destroyed, thousands are more killed. Buddhist temple in Tibet. Central Asian culture in international and global context. Western Central Asia's closest external cultural relation with Russia. Relationship of Eastern Central Asian countries are with China. Migration of Han Chinese into eastern part of the region is a major issue. Russian influence is diminishing the West. Russia was once the lingua franca in Western Central Asia, but its use is declining. Increasing US use of English and influence of US culture. Old culture element of persist. Geopolitical framework, political reawakening. Partition of states. Before 1500, Central Asia was powerful center. Mobile horseback armies threatened sedentary states. Gunpowder and effective hand weapons changed the balance of power. Russia and China gained control of the region. Manchu Chinese conquest 1644. Russian Empire 17th. Concern over British influence in this era. Central Asia under the communist rule. South Soviet Central Asia. Soviet inherited Russia Empire's domain. United territories together into Soviet Union. Created a series of Union Republics: Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Azerbaijan. Sowed the seed of nationalism, nation state, the Chinese geopolitical order. After China re-emerged as unified country in 1949, it reclaimed most of its old Central Asian territories. Movement into Xinjiang and Tibet Xinjiang. Uzbekistan monument from Soviet period. Soviet Realism School of Art. Political reawakening. Current geopolitical tension. Independence in former Soviet Union land. It has been difficult for 6 former Soviet republics to become truly independent. Cooperation with Russia on security issue necessary. Authoritarian leaders in these nations has made the transition to democracy more difficult. These countries have opted to remain part of the Commonwealth of independent states. Ethnic strife is common in these areas. War in Tajikistan 1999 over ethnic conflict. Invasion of Azerbaijan by Armenia. Current geopolitical tension. Strife in Western China. Repression of Tibet and local opposition to Chinese rule. Border of China and India still constant. Chinese control of Xinjiang. Uyghur opposition. War in Afghanistan before September 11, 2001. 1978 Soviet supported military revolutionary council seized power. Marxist governments begin to suppress religion. Russia invention, US and Saudi support rebels. Soviet withdraw in 1989. War in Afghanistan before September 2002. 1995-96 rise of Taliban. Taliban founded by young Muslim religion student closely associated with Pashtun ethnic group. Impose an extreme interpretation of Islamic law. Consists of West Pashtun culture. Other Afghan ethnic group opposed the Taliban. The role of Russia, Iran, Pakistan and Turkey. Russia has armed forces in Tajikistan and transportation routes across Kazakhstan. Iran is a major trade partner and offers access to port. Pakistan support Taliban, now support the US. Turkey has close cultural and linguistic connections. Russian space program launching site is in Kazakhstan. International dimension.